All right, guys. Here we go. We got another year. This is Emmett, the Alpha Builder, and now we're in 2025. And guys, we got to jump on this thing and jump on it hard. People have taken their breaks. You know, everybody that enjoyed the Christmas and New Year's and all that kind of stuff. Now it's time to get back in business. It's time to get some things done. So what I'm doing, let me see if I got this right here. So guys, on this right here. So this is episode 59. I thought it was going to take me 100 episodes, but man, we about to wrap this thing up, man. We may have a good month left on this house here. Just depends on when I can get that, if the weather works with me and I can get my drives and walks in. Because typically when you get your drives and walks in, that's when your flooring is done. You know, you want to, because you don't want to, because man, if you don't have your drives and walks in and those guys walking on that mud and they track that house full of mud, it's just gonna mess your floors up and you don't want that. Now, I don't do sanded finished floors anymore. I try to really push my homeowners against that. Only because in new construction, anything can go wrong. You can have a plumbing leak and it's just really, really tough and it's more cost. As far as it's much more cost effective when you use LVP or some kind of engineered flooring because you can just take that part out and put that part back in. You don't have to sand and finish the whole room and have the homeowners to move into a hotel for a minute while all this stuff is going on. So, or them having to go on a vacation and then you do it, you know, and hopefully you can get your guys in there and in and out while they're gone. On this house, paint is done, so now it's time to call everybody back and start having everybody to do their thing. Your MEPs mainly, your mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. You need to have those guys to come back and do their thing. You know, they're gonna hang all the light fixtures. I got my tile guy, I usually go ahead and get him in there. I got my cabinets. I've already got the appliances and things like that, and they're supposed to be actually shipping them today. So that I can, because you need to have your cooktop, so your countertop guy can cut that. He needs to have that cooktop sitting on that site so he can cut it exactly like, I don't care what the dimensions say. He need to set it in there and make sure it works before he leaves. All the plumbing fixtures, we pretty much got all those. He needs to drill the holes in all the countertops to fit the plumbing fixtures. There are different bowls that the homeowner want. And a lot of this stuff, most of the stuff we get from Home Depot, guys. I don't advise any home builder, if you can stand it, to get your items from Home Depot. You're gonna save a whole lot of money. It's probably half the price. But Home Depot and Lowe's, they both one and the same. And I'm gonna do a video about them pretty soon. But builders, that Home Depot and Lowe's just don't work too well with you as a builder because you got to get things done and now you got to play on their clock instead of them playing on your clock because they're so big. But guys, this right here, in this episode, I'm just gonna be walking through and looking at the paint, and guys, English is another barrier that we got to get over. I think they got the new iPhone. You can use that new iPhone to translate. I think you can just talk and you can translate in real time, which I'm really considering that, but I'm trying to wrap my head around spending, $1,500 on another iPhone. Mine's kind of old and I think the battery is about gone now because it's less than 80% battery. So the battery it has degraded to the point to where I'm probably in need for another phone, but as long as I got chargers on site, I'm good. But guys, let me know your thoughts, guys. And guys, this is an example of my members channel. You guys can subscribe. Well, not subscribe. You hit the join button, but you got to be on. If you got an iPhone, you ain't gonna see the join button. But if you guys are on, the regular, if you own your computer. You can see a join button on YouTube, and you just hit the join button. Right now, it's cost you $3 a month. At the end of this month, when I'm finished with this house, I'm gonna bump that thing up to probably $60. So I'm letting you guys know who's already a member, and you already got the episodes and things, and you already seen everything. You may want to go ahead and since you've been with me the entire time, you don't you've already seen everything. But if I got 60 episodes or almost 100 episodes taking you from the beginning of a house and give you all the trade secrets as a builder from the beginning all the way to the end, yes, I'm going to have to bump that up. It's not going to be $3 a month. It's probably going to be about $60 a month. Guys, once again, if you like this right here, like, share, subscribe. I appreciate you guys for joining in. You guys have a good one and enjoy the channel. Thanks. It's always good to see a paint truck. All right, so what we got going on here? Really need to put some over this right here, man, because I got to send this back, man. I can't have them messing this up. Got haze of paint on it. Primer. I got to put some on that right there. Doors are painted. We got everything primed, everything covered. I think this is supposed to be the trim color, and that's supposed to be the blue. Yeah, ceiling. Everything. Yeah, the ceiling blue. That's white. I told Maria. I told her the ceiling part is white, and the that trim is blue. Now they're gonna paint that wall over there, so they're gonna use that color on that wall over there. Let me, I'll take a picture of it and send it to the homeowner, because I think it's the reverse. I think the ceiling is blue, and the inside, and this right here is, yeah, sure. That right there, tic-tac, those things. It's all good.
¿Ya le dijo que el gas estuvo así?
I think that's what she did. I'll find out in a minute. Hey, that's why guys, we get kind of confused sometimes on colors, but it's good to always have this. I like to have this right here in here, so that they can go ahead and knock that out of the way too. I like to do that as well. I'm gonna go upstairs. I can't wait to get my drives and walks in here. Starting to look like a house now, guys. I need to take this back. I would have took that back with the rest of the stuff. Oh, you don't need to. I tried painting one time, guys, and that's a hard job, painting. Oh, I think my son, he put it in. Then he called him to find out where he put the doggone tile at. I'll tell you what, man. Oh, there it is, right there. That's the tile right there. All right, guys, we're moving right along. I like to see painters with a light. Oh. All right, that's it.